What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. Today we're not gonna cook anything because I've been in Spain for the last 3 weeks with this little lady. Wakey wakey! We ate a lot of really good food and we had a lot of fun. However, unless you made a montage, did you really go to Spain?
Now underneath.
Oh my god. Jumping video. Go.
Yeah, see, it's not funny. Do a real one. Do a real one.
No! What are you looking at?
Poopy.
Poopy. Yes, queen. Lion. On the radio, and the DJ got it all. And the DJ got it all. And the DJ got it all.
Put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Down in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah.
That looks familiar.
Got my hands up to play my song. And know I'm gonna be okay. It's a party in
Spain.
keep my hands on myself. Pick up, dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Just my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kickstart. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
I like that island.
What island?
Island.
Oh, that island.
I like these green shutters.
What green shutters?
Those green shutters.
Oh, those green shutters.
I like that door.
What door?
That door.
Oh, that door.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kickstart. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed.
No follas, no follas.
Even with the baby still, mama call a grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves.
Jackie's a giant pussy and she made us go home.
No, I didn't. You did. He didn't want to go to another place, and I did.
No, I was
and
like...
so I met people that told us to go to this place called.
That's not how it went,
No,
guys.
shut up.
I found Marta
No.
and I was like, Marta, take us with you.
No.
Take us in, Marta, take us in.
No.
Marta, take us in.
If you wanna be my lover.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The rest of my life gon' start today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The rest of my life gon' start today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The rest of my life gon' start today.
Bad word. What happened? What happened? What did you do?
Should have done a hair tutorial.
How bad is it?
Hair off.
How bad is it?
I mean, it's still falling out.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. gonna start today.
Nice short.
Oh, thanks.
Wow, this looks so cool. What?
I drank out the wrong end.
Oh, no, Wasty pants.
It looks really sophisticated.
Yeah.
That's it for today, guys. Look at this.
Good job. Follow me everywhere at
Cheesy Does It Cooking.
guys. This was a great recipe, but next time, what are we gonna cook?
Sea anemones.
Babies.
Baby sea anemones.
Yeah. Let's go murder some children.
I will come.
Go get a authentic Spanish meal. So Jackie thinks our server's a handsome man.
I'm gonna show it to him.
Do you want to have sex with me? Right in front of me.
Us.
Thanks.
No, it's us.
Oh, us. Oh, okay. At least I'm involved. Yay.
Slap your body down and wine it all around. Slap your body down and zig a zig ah.